Welcome into the video. I am your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra with any Android phone. It does not have to be a Samsung phone. It can be any Android phone. You just need to know what app to download, and I'm going to show you that along with the pairing process. So first, we want to make sure our watch is turned on. It's on. You're going to hit that top button here. Just hold it for about 1 second to turn the watch on. And then on your phone, you will want to go to the Play Store and you're going to download the Galaxy Wearable app. This is a free app. It'll download pretty quick. We're going to open this up, and this will allow the phone to be able to see the watch and for it to pair. So let's walk through the pairing process right now. I'm going to hit start and hit allow. It's going to do a scan, and it found it nice and quick. We're going to tap on the watch. You're going to see a number pop up on your screen and that same number on your watch. You're going to hit that check to confirm and hit the blue button on your phone. And now it's going to download the appropriate software so that the phone can see it. It also will need to download a secondary app called the Galaxy Watch Manager. So we'll go ahead and install that too. So this entire process should not take more than about 5 minutes, because once the second app is downloaded, it'll then begin to walk you through the pairing and then the setup. So it will need to link with your Google account, and then it will want to link with your Samsung account as well to unlock the full gamut of features you have access to. Cool, that was pretty quick. Now it is saying we will need to restart our phone. So we're gonna there was a button that popped up to restart. We missed it, so no problem. I'm going to just do a quick flash to restart this phone. Okay, so once the phone restarts, I just want to walk you through what's going to happen. Once the phone restarts, the watch is going to try to trigger pairing a second time. And you're going to see a pop-up at the top of the screen that's going to say pair and connect, and we need to tap on that pair and connect notification, and then that will basically finish the initial pairing process. So the phone is just finished restarting, and then we'll be able to see what it looks like once that command pops up. Okay, now that the phone has restarted, we're going to swipe up. We're going to go back to our Galaxy Wearable app. We're going to tap on start, and we're going to find the device one more time, Galaxy Watch Ultra. You'll see the number pop up on your screen here, and here we're going to hit pair and hit the little check to accept. And this time, there we go. Now the first thing you're seeing is, hey, sign into your Samsung account. This is free to do. And you want to sign into the Samsung account because it unlocks all of the features that are accessible for the watch and the phone. All right, so I just signed into my Samsung account, and next it will ask to accept the terms and conditions. And there will be a few other things as well. I tend to only check the boxes of anything that is anything you have to, anything optional I usually leave blank. Let's hit agree. All right, I just signed into my Samsung account, and I'm gonna accept the different terms here. Hit continue. You're giving it access to phone, call, SMS, contacts, calendar, because it's gonna send you notifications and all those things from your phone to your watch, so you don't have to give it permission to access those things. All right, so we're all done linking up our Samsung account. Now we need to link our Google account, and because I already have a Google account on the phone, I just need to hit continue, and it will link it with that account that it sees there. All right, so after we put in our password, we just need to accept the Google terms and conditions. All right, next we need to okay, the last thing here is it's going to show you some apps that are going to be installed onto your watch, and then there's a few extra recommended apps. So for example, you could have WhatsApp Messenger, you can have these different fitness apps. So kind of go through here and see if you like any of these. I'm just going to check the box for the WhatsApp Manager, hit continue. Next, I'm going to turn on the auto backup so that it's going to back up all my data to the Samsung cloud. Now this is something that comes in handy if you ever lose your watch or it gets stolen. If you replace the watch once you sign into your account, it is going to automatically bring back all your settings, all your custom watch faces, and all your preferences. Once you download that Samsung Smart Switch app, we're gonna jump back to the wearable app and hit allow, and it will begin to back up all the data and basically keep it linked. We'll turn this on. One more. There we go. So even right now, it was checking to see if I already had any backups that were saved, which I didn't. So it's telling you now you can set up a quick button action just by tapping on that orange button right here. I'm gonna just hit remind me later for that. Next, you'll want to select what wrist you're gonna wear the watch on. And you can create a custom workout if you want to. I say do this later. Let's hit next. You can check your body levels. Understand your sleep, and this is showing you there's a new pinch gesture. By pinching your fingers like that, you can have it to answer a call, dismiss an alert, play or pause music, or take a photo when you're using the camera app. Let's hit next. There's also an emergency SOS mode as well. Now here you can actually set it up to be able to use the LTE function. Now because of the phone I'm using for this demonstration, Metro doesn't offer a plan for you to link up a wearable, or I guess you'd have to go into the store for that. But if you're with T-Mobile, Verizon, or AT&T, here you'd be able to select a mobile plan, and you can link the watch, link it with your plan, do all that right from the setup. I'm gonna skip this for now. But if you do want to link up your watch with your mobile service, simply call the 611 from your phone, and that'll take you to customer support, and then they can walk you through how to link it, what plans are available, and they'll put it on your account for you. And other than that, you guys, we're all done. We're officially linked, and now we can begin using our Galaxy Watch Ultra with this Motorola phone. So that is the process to link the Samsung Galaxy Ultra with any Android phone. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.